20 divided by 2 times 5. Again, we have minus 10 divided by 2 times 5. Again, we have minus 10 divided by 2. We have minus 5 times 5 equals to minus 25. This is wrong. It's not correct. Okay? Then minus 20 divided by 2 times 5. Then minus 20 divided by 2 times 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Then minus 2. 20 divided by 10 is 2. Then 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. The answer is wrong. Let me do the correct one now. Use BODMAS rule so that you can be able to solve it. B stands for bracket. Start with the bracket. This is 6 plus 4, you have 10. Minus 20 divided by 2 times 5. After the bracket, we have off. There's no off here. Okay? The next, there's no off here. The next is division. Division. So we take this. Alright? 10 minus 10. 20 divided by 2 is 10 times 5. Now we have subtraction and multiplication. The next is multiplication. Okay? So you multiply this. 10 minus 50. So finally you subtract. Subtraction, which is equals to minus 40 as the correct answer. Equals to minus 40 as the correct answer.